Guys, it's Shannon from the Anxiety and OCD Treatment Center of Central Pennsylvania. I'm just popping on here for a couple minutes tonight to talk about contamination OCD. This is something my intern Amy and I had created a video about quite a few months ago, and something happened to it. So I thought I would re-record it and do it in maybe shorter segments so that people might maintain their interest and check out the episodes. So this episode here is going to just talk about like what is contamination OCD and some common obsessions with contamination. So the general definition that I would say for contamination OCD is that it is a common subtype of OCD where the individual obsesses over contracting illness, spreading germs, or being contaminated by germs, feeling dirty. And sometimes the feeling is related to disgust. The individual then performs compulsions to relieve anxiety and distress related to those fears. So common OCD obsessions with contamination is fear of contracting an STI or other bloodborne pathogen. So anything including a common one is HIV, hepatitis. I've heard quite a few things. So it really could be any kind of illness. Some people have a fear of cancer, even going as far as thinking that being near someone with cancer, that they might actually contract cancer from that person, or seeing like a commercial with cancer, that it almost feels like a contamination to see such a thing. I'm trying to think here what else, but yeah, like commercials, even discussing cancer might make them feel contaminated. Fear of, so another obsession is just like fear of body fluids, such as blood, sweat, saliva, feces, urine, semen, vaginal secretions, hair. It could really be anything from the body. And again, it could be about disgust, or it could just be feeling dirty or concerned about getting ill. There are other like fear of germs, toxins, chemicals, even in cosmetics. I've seen folks worry about contamination from like lawn treatments, insect sprays, chemicals in cleaning products, smoke, actual like dirt in the ground, asbestos, radiation, radon, dust, mold, lead. I might be missing some, but anyway, those are a lot of those types of contamination fears. Fear of even certain people, like being near certain people that look unwell, or having like an association that they are unwell, like maybe if you saw a homeless person, someone might fear that they were contaminated from that being near that homeless person because they looked unclean. Or if they knew someone using drugs, they might be fearful of HIV, even if they had no direct contact with that person in a way that would have them actually contract HIV. Some folks are afraid of or fearful of contamination from animals, insects, dead animals. And then there's also related in this fear of contamination, there is like this over responsibility to and fear of sometimes contaminating others, like worrying about making other people ill or spreading a contaminant of some sort. So I'm going to stop there for this part of this discussion. And I just wanted to kind of give people a quick overview of contamination OCD. For the next episode, we will talk about the common compulsions that are related to contamination OCD. and then we'll kind of explore a little bit further into just like what treatment looks like a little bit, just a little bit. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. And please follow us on Is This OCD on Instagram, and check out and subscribe on our YouTube channel. And yeah, so thanks so much. Bye, guys.